Hi everyone, Carlene here with Rustic Side Night. I'm here to show you guys the ombre effect that we use at our events. It's something that all of our instructors like to teach, but I wanted to give a demo today. We're going to be demonstrating on our beautiful fall sign. This is the Grateful, Thankful, Blessed stencil that is very popular at Rustic Side Night. I'm going to be doing 3 different colors for the ombre effect. The key to this is to have 3 different brushes. So I've got 2 here, and I've started the brown to demonstrate a little bit quicker on video. So here we go. I'm going to show you the brown technique first. This is what I've done so far, and I've just done in a horizontal across the tops of every letter or every word with 1 color. And now I'm going to be switching to a different brush and a different color. I'm going to choose the red next. I got a little bit of paint here, and I'm going to be just dabbing a little bit of the red onto a brush. And we're going to be just putting it on the middle portion of the actual word and not filling the entire word, just lightly dabbing. There we go. Dabbing, dabbing. The key to this is just light use of paint. You're not wanting a lot of paint on your brush. You just want to carry it across. Nice even coverage anywhere. Don't worry about getting paint into the cracks. Usually I just leave that for the end and clean up with a finishing brush. There we go. Tape there. Keep dabbing. More paint just on this end. Alrighty, and now we're going to switch to the last brush and the last color that we're going to use, and that's the black. Just same exact method. You're just going to want to finish up the letters with the black color. And don't worry if the colors don't completely meet in the middle yet. We're going to be going back to it after with the brushes that we were using previously, and we'll just make sure we blend it all together. The lighter you go, the more rustic it looks. So I think that going lightly dusting across all the letters rather than worrying about heavy, even coverage is better, I think. It just looks a lot more rustic and a lot more farmhouse, which is definitely on trend right now. There we go. So, now that I've painted all of my hands, I'm going to just peel off the stencil. I'm going to give you guys a big grand reveal again. We're just going to peel out the inside of all our little letters here quick. Alrighty, we're ready. Here we go. So here is the final reveal. Spot and right here. Alrighty, there's our Grateful, Thankful, Blessed. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Please visit our website, rusticsidenight.ca, to purchase your ticket to the next event.